Hi guys! I've been feeling like my room is quite boring, and I know it might not look like it because I have a bunch of things all over my room, but I feel like it needs to look a bit cuter. It needs to have some more things on the walls. There's still some spots that I feel like need decorations. And I've been looking at Pinterest and I'll show you some things I've been looking at. And I'm not really the best at just kind of crafting on the spot and stuff. Like in one of the videos I really want to do like try and do some thrift flips, because I see a lot of things at the thrift store and I know I could like turn it into something. But first of all, a package came to me that I've been waiting for. My little 21 Pilots logo I'm gonna put on my cart really quick, so let's go do that quick. Okay, I want to try and obviously decorate my room. You can obviously see a few things around now, but I saw on Pinterest, the first one I want to try, which is kind of the hardest, so we'll get it out of the way, is the jeans in a photo frame. So we're going to try and fit it into one of these frames. Like first obviously I'll cut the jeans. So we're going to do some crafting, I guess. These jeans were like $5. They're not going to fit me, so it doesn't really matter if this doesn't work because they were never going to fit. But I'll just, I guess, I don't know, scissor it? Sorry. Okay, let me just figure out how to do this. So I just kind of want like this little spot right there. The only thing that might not make it work, these scissors might be too thin. No please. Okay, no, it's going. These kind of feel thin, but it's like also the frame is quite small, so I didn't think about this. I should have brought another frame. This is a little harder than I thought. I mean, like, I could definitely use these jeans. I really want to learn how to sew. So we've got this. We got one of the jean pieces. Also, I am still sick. I've been sneezing, so just ignore that, please. I did thrift this recently, so I mean, yeah, every frame I have is small. I'm just gonna cut. Sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. Guys, behold, I did it, and it's perfectly at the back, like tied up, perfectly like put away at the back. So we've got a little jeans that you can feel, a jeans pocket, and then I'm gonna put like a little photo in it. So I'm going to, it's meant to be hung up, but I might just like keep it on my dressing table for now. Okay, that is super cute, but I might not keep it like with all my stuff, but just to be able to like have something and you just like put it in there. Like, now did I do it well? I don't know, but I do have lots of those jeans on me. Let's ignore that. I think it looks cute. I could move it around or hang it up or something. I don't really know. The next one, I saw this thing on Pinterest. It was like little buttons in like a little swirl on someone's like bedroom wall. But I couldn't find buttons, and I think they had to be ordered, but I wasn't gonna wait that long. So I have a few little other things that I can like kind of put on the wall, so I'm making do with what I have, but we're gonna like decorate it the way I saw it on Pinterest. So I'm still inspired by Pinterest, but I'm just doing it my own way. Okay, we're in a new angle here, but I'm gonna try and reach up here. Okay, so I've got a few different options. I might start with these. So on the photo it obviously showed like a little twirl. So I'm going to try and attempt that. Alright, wish me luck. Well, I broke that one. I'm thinking like to go like this. So I might have not got enough, but like you can kind of see what I'm trying to do. Let me try the silver ones. That looks like a twirl, right? Like a whirl. Why do I keep saying twirl? Okay. I am not too sure about this work. Really don't want this to turn into, why was it so close? Really don't want this to turn into a kid's room. There's too many things on my wall. My wall literally shows every single thing I've ever loved. Maybe I have too many interests. But look, that looks silly. That looks silly. I don't know about that. Like, look at the inspo pic. Insert. And now look at that. Like, this is not what I planned. I don't like it. Yeah. Luckily they're just little stick-ons because I'm gonna take that off later. Let's get to the next thing. I'm trying so hard to finish this video, but I'm literally like sick. No excuses. Get this tripod. The next thing, which again I didn't get what I needed for it, but it was actually this board, and it was like kind of just something to hang up. I was thinking like maybe some lace around the side, and then just like, because I always have a lot of loose little like movie tickets and like, you know, maybe like a Polaroid photo, and I thought it would be cute just to hang it up on the wall, but also have it done inspired in like a Pinterest way. So it's like, we've got this, but then I thrifted this cute purple top, like a lace top, which it looks a lot lighter in the camera, but it's not. And then I was going to use the lace to kind of like put it around the sides. So I'm gonna, let's see how that goes, because I'm not too sure. And then I've got some little pins as well. So with the lace, I did buy a hot glue gun, and I have no idea how to use it. So we're going to do this together. So like, I'm basically going to hot glue the lace onto that, because I felt like that was the best way for it to even like be on there and like stay on there for long. Also after that, I saw a little like another Pinterest photo of some like, but it was wooden pegs, and it was like they looked like a little piano set, and then you like can clip little photos and things on it. But I could only find white ones, and then I thought I would just paint the black on the ends. Whatever. Alright. I've got the glue. I don't know how to use this at all. Let's just cut the top first, because it needs to go on there. So I'm going to cut the sleeves. I'll come back after I've cut what I need to fit on there. One problem. I do not know how to work this gun. I've just plugged it in. It's connected. Oh, literally when I turn the camera on it starts. Okay. That is working. Kind of thought I was going to put it over the board, but I'm deciding not to do that anymore. But also with the pegs situation, I'm going to use the cardboard that came from the photo frame. So that's going to work. Maybe I'll show you the next day of how that one turns out. But I'm just going to try my best with this, because I don't know. I saw it and it looked cute. I don't know about that. Wow, I haven't done this since school. Alright, whoa. Right there. Okay, that should stay. And then I might just put a little bit in the middle. I don't know what to do with this. Okay. Basically the Pinterest photo had like lace on the side and it looked cute. But I'm running out of hot glue, and I don't want to sticky tape it on. So I kind of wanted to use the lace on like one of my jeans or something. I'm just going to give up on this one. I've tried everything else. I'm giving up on this. I tried. Okay. I'm not sure if I even like this video. I don't even know what I've been doing. I feel like I've just been messing around and doing stupid craft stuff, and it's not working. But while my hot glue gun is charging, I'm going to start painting the pegs. All I have to do is now glue it onto this wooden part. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, it's basically just gonna like stay on there. Let me ask the audience.
Let me ask the audience.
I just gotta do that a couple more times. I know this is kind of boring. I just realized, like, I'm kind of just on my own.
2 hours later.
Here we have it. The piano thing. I think I gotta let this paint dry. We lift one up and look at that. It'll hold little notes and things. It just needs to like have something to stick it up on the wall, but I think, like, let me show you the Pinterest photo and then look at this. I don't know just yet, but I think it looks kind of cute. Of course I'm gonna go thrifting again, and of course there'll be another haul. See you next week. Bye. Also my song is about to play, so go listen to my music on Spotify.